Hello everyone, this is a Canon FD 17mm f4. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to convert this lens to EF using the Simmodlens Conversion Kit. Let's start by removing the front lens cap. Take your 72 to 80mm step-up ring and apply it to the front of your lens. This step-up ring has a 77mm front thread. Go ahead and apply your 80mm custom lens cap. Take the Simmodlens focus gear and apply the rubber bushing inside. Turn the lens upside down and push the focus gear onto the lens such that it sits firmly on the focus barrel. Next, remove the rear lens cap. We will be removing 3 small screws that are on the lens barrel. Be sure to apply enough pressure to avoid stripping these screws. Remove the chrome ring that sits at the end of the lens. Twist and lift to remove the FD mount from the lens. Within the lens, we will be removing 1 silver screw and 3 black screws. Once these screws are removed, you will be able to lift away the lens release ring. Remove the thin gray ring and the aperture control ring from the lens. Align the dampen control ring onto the lens such that the wedge will slide right between the goalposts. If everything is aligned correctly, the dampen control ring will snap into place. If the dampen control ring doesn't turn smoothly, consider using lens grease. Next, place the Edmica EF mount onto the dampen control ring. Secure the EF mount onto your lens using the 4 screws we removed earlier. We've just cinevised the Canon FD 17mm f4 using the Simmodlens FD to EF Conversion Kit. This kit does not come with an EF rear lens cap. I got this one from eBay. I will post a link in the notes below. The 17mm f4 is a beautiful addition for anyone looking to build a vintage Canon set. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to see more content just like this.